Alright, so 5 car accessories coming at a price of less than 500 rupees. Very much practical, extremely useful. This is a no nonsense video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So the first accessory which I would like to talk about is the car backseat headrest hook. So this comes at a price of less than, not 500, comes at a price of less than 100 rupees. Yes, this costs only 77 rupees and is a most useful and a practical accessory for your car. The installation of this hook is pretty simple. You don't even have to remove the headrest. All you need to do is plug this hook onto the supporting stand of the headrest and basically you're done. You can hang all your grocery bags, your toys, your laptop bag, basically anything with a hook. You can hang it and keep the leg room of your car free to keep the legs. And of course, on top of it, the best thing about these hooks is that you can put up a tab right on top of it. So as you're seeing right now, you can just plug in your tab, your iPad, and make your car feel so luxurious. I mean, this kind of feature is only seen in high-end cars where you have a tablet sitting right behind the headrest. So using these hooks, which cost you less than 100 bucks, you can install your tabs on the back seat headrest and basically give the passengers who are sitting at the back a TV screen to look at. These hooks are well made, durable, they are not as sharp, so they are not danger to kids or pets inside the car. And basically you can hang anything on top of it. It has a large loading capacity so that your car's rear seat and the legroom stays clean of any kind of a luggage. So since I've been using these hooks in my car, the rear seat has become a home theater and people at the back usually tend to watch a movie. So very practical and a very useful, nifty accessory coming at a price of less than 100 bucks. Go ahead and grab it before they vanish away. Moving on to the next accessory. So this is the mini car cleaning brush, which comes with a handle and also a cover. So this is a very compact size brush. You can basically keep it or hide it in the car anywhere you want. This gets a pretty much decent handle, a very fine level of bristles quality. Now this brush is very useful in order to keep the dashboard of your car clean, the AC vents clean. I mean, whenever we usually sit in the car, we tend to first notice the dust that has accumulated on either the music system, the car system, the AC vents. Now using this brush, it hardly takes about 10-15 seconds. You can brush away all the dust and everything looks as good as new in a matter of few seconds. Not only can you use this brush to clean your car, you can also use this to clean your laptop keyboard, your computer keyboard and all the other miniature electronic devices. You can just use this brush to keep the dust away. And of course, since it gets a cover, it's safe. The brush bristles remain safe. You don't have to worry about the dust falling off anywhere else where you might keep the brush for. Coming at a price of less than 200, I think it costs about 150 rupees. This brush is a very good accessory to keep your car, keep your PC, your laptop free of dust and give you a peace of mind. So moving on to the next accessory. Now this costs less than 300 bucks, about 275, and I'm talking about the car visor tissue or a napkin holder. So this is made up of PU leather and can be easily fixed on the sun visor of the car. It doesn't even interfere with the mirror of your car. So this is independent of the mirror and you can use the mirror that's present on the visor. It has two clip-on hooks which you can easily lift, push the tissue holder on the visor and leave the clips for the proper grip. The tissues or the napkins inside the holder are replaceable, so you can easily put up a new box inside and it will be as good as new. And on top of it, this comes in two colors, beige color and the black color. So currently I've used the beige color since it matches the interior of my car, but you can also go ahead with a black one if you prefer that. So the next time someone is sitting on your front passenger seat and is in need of a tissue or a napkin, it will be right at your fingertips. So moving on to the next accessory, one of the most popular and most commonly used car accessory in every car practically that's out there, the mobile car charger. So this is the Portronics 51 watt dual car charger. I already made a detailed review video of this. You can take a look at that also if you want to get into detail of this. So this car charger comes with two ports, one type A and another type C. So the type C port supports 33 watt fast charging and the type A supports 18 watt fast charging. It has this carbon fiber finish at the front. It also gets an LED and it supports both Android and your iPhone. So fast charging two devices at once using the type A and the type C, giving you a nice premium look in the car. I mean, what more do you want? Coming at a price of about 350 to 360 rupees, this car charger is simply a perfect travel companion to charge multiple electronic devices while you're on the go. So moving on to the next and the fifth car accessory in the list I'm talking about the trunk organizer or the boot organizer. So this comes at a price of about 399 rupees and it's a very useful accessory. I've personally been using this accessory for more than 2 years and it has really helped me keep the trunk of my car very clean. I mean, we usually tend to throw things inside the car, throw things in the trunk of the car, but with this trunk organizer you can organize stuff. You can even buy more than one to organize 2 or 3 different kinds of things which you want to keep there. And of course just one would suffice. You can keep all the things there, such as your car tire inflator or maybe a neck pillow, I mean related to car stuff or even general stuff. Just keep the trunk organizer in the boot, in the trunk, and you're basically done. It's made up of felt material, gets velcro straps for proper adhesion. It sticks onto the floor of the trunk so it doesn't move around. It has a lid which also gets a velcro strap. It also gets a handle so you can easily carry it around, take it inside your home and bring it back to the car. It's very easy to handle and it's very easy to move around. So these were the top 5 most practical, most useful accessories, but mini accessories which come under the price of less than 500, or should I say less than 400 rupees. So small on price but big on function. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these accessories, just click on the description below. You'll find the purchase links right there. Go ahead and grab them before they go out of stock. So that being said, if this video has helped you out and if you found any accessory which I've shown in the list to be useful to you, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload such interesting videos. If you have any query or any doubts, you can always write that down. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.